Honeywell offers a wide variety of filters and air purifiers to give you the best breathing environment in every situation. The new Honeywell Enhanced Filters amplify filter performance for targeted odors. These enhanced filters are designed to help reduce the most common household odors and VOCs so you can customize your filtration experience based on your personal needs. Choose from the 4 different odor-fighting options including pet, smoke, kitchen, and home renovation. The Honeywell Kitchen Odor Air Purifier Filter is specifically formulated with potassium permanganate, an activated carbon that allows for faster odor absorption and reduction. Intended to be used alongside a standard pre-filter and HEPA filter, this enhanced filter can help remove most kitchen odors up to 5 times faster. To install your Honeywell Filter S, start by turning off and unplugging your air purifier. Next, remove the front grill from the air purifier by grasping the sides of the grill and pulling forward. Once removed, remove the pre-filter from the air purifier. Place the Filter S in front of the HEPA filters with the removable pull tabs facing outwards. The S filter fits in between the HEPA filter and the pre-filter. Replace the pre-filter by securing the edges under the fasteners. Finally, replace the front grille of the unit by placing the tabs on the bottom of the grille into the slots on the unit and gently push the top of the grille until secure. To reset the filter light on your air purifier, plug the unit back in, and with the unit powered off, press the filter reset button 2 times within 1 second. The filter indicator light will blink twice to indicate the timer has been reset and then will turn off. Here is a list of all compatible Filter S Honeywell air purifier models. For more information or to purchase any of the Honeywell S filters or air purifiers, visit www.honeywellstore.com.